Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to download TD Bank statement. So let's begin. Open the TD Bank website and log into your account. Now select the account whose statement you want to download. Once you select, all the transactions will be shown below. You can simply see there and tap on the export button which is on the top. Also choose your type of export. Then simply fill the details or choose the options that has been asked by the app. After you do that, simply tap on the export button which is on the bottom. Now your TD Bank statement has been successfully downloaded. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.